Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 4B. I hope all of you are keeping well. We were in the chapter division, that is 6 number chapter. We already recapitulate all the division method, uh, that is division by 2-digit number, division by 1-digit number, division facts, how to find quotient, remainder, all of these things. Today we are going to discuss at first exercise 6.1. So what is that in this exercise? Please open your page number 88 and follow this video. Okay, let's start. Exercise 6.1 says, question number 1, write the division facts for each multiplication fact given below. Right, you know very well division and multiplication are related. Every multiplication fact has two division facts. In this question number 1a, it is given 9 cross 8 equal to 72. 9 cross 8 equal to 72. Okay, now you have to write the division facts. You know it is 9 and 8, this is the factors of 72. So how to solve this type of question? Because I told you that every multiplication fact has two division facts, that's why if you divide 72 by 9, you will get 8, and if you divide 72 by 8, you will get 9. So this is the division facts. Okay, so similarly question number E, how to solve? It is given 8 cross 10 equal to 80. That means if you divide 80 divided by 8, you will get 10, and if you divide 80 by 10, you will get 8. So these are the division facts, two division facts. So rest of the part, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, try to do, try to learn, and do it in your copy. Now I'm going to the question number 2. So divide the following and write the quotient and the remainder. So I'm now solving question number 2a. So at first write the dividend and divide by 6. 6 is the divisor. So at first you have to check the first place, that is 3, which is less than 6, so you can't divide. Then go to the next place, that is 36, so you take 36. So what would you multiply by 6 to get the nearest value of 36? So 6 6 are 36. So write down and subtract, you will get 0. Now copy 7 here. Now 7 is greater than 6. So 6 ones are 6. So 61 is the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. So you have to write, therefore quotient is 61 and remainder is 1. Clear? So similarly you have to do all the questions from B to H in your copy. B to H in your copy. This is HW. It's very easy problem. I know you will do it very easily. Now question number 3. Divide the following and check your division. So how to do this kind of problem? So I am now solving question number 3a. So at first divide so 5 is the divisor, 3285, that means 3285 is the dividend. So 5 6 take 32, 5 6 30, then it if you will subtract you will get 2 and copy 8, 28. So what you multiply by 5 that you get nearest to the 28. So 5 7s are 35, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. So you will get 3 and copy 5, 5 7s are 35, that is 0. So you know the rule, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So this is the rule to check your answer. So if you multiply 657, that means quotient, by your divisor, that is 5, what will you get? So 657 cross 5, 5 7s are 35, carry over 3, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3 is 28, carry 2, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 is 0. Here remainder is 0, remainder is 0. So what you get? You get our dividend. So this is the way to check your answer. This is a very simple process, and do this same manner and try to solve the rest of the problem. Okay, and you solve question number B to H, all the question in your copy. Okay, now question number 4. It says 144 students were standing in rows such that there were 80 students in each row. That means there were how many students in each row? There were 8 students in each row. Total students were 144. So how many rows are there? So the number of rows where, that means you have to do division. So divide 144 by 8. So please follow the steps of the division. So take 14, because if you take 1, so it will be the less than 8, so you have to take 14. So 8 ones are 8. If you subtract, you will get 6, and copy 64, copy 4, so it would be 64. Now 8 8s are 64. So how many rows are there? 18 rows. So this is your answer. Now question number 5. An amount of rupees 721 is divided amongst 7 workers. So rupees 721 is divided amongst 7 workers. So how much money will each worker get? So therefore each worker will get 721 divided by 7 rupees. So if you divide 721 by 7, then you will get the rupees each worker will get. So 7 ones are 7, then copy 2, which is less than 7, then it will be 0 here because 7 zeros are 0, then copy 21, and 3 sevens are 21. So how much rupees each worker will get? So rupees 130, not 130, 103. So this is your required answer. Okay, and this is very easy problem. Try to learn. Okay, now I'm going to the next part, division by 10. Division by 10. Suppose I am taking an example 78 and divide by 10. So 78, since 7 is less than 10, so take 78 and multiply 10 by 7, that you get 70, that is nearest to the 78. And if you multiply by 8, which is beyond 78, so it would be 70. That's why in the quotient it will be 7, and if you subtract you will get 8. So quotient is 7 and remainder is 8. If you multiply by 93 divided by 10, if you not multiply, if you divide 93 by 10, you will get 9 tens are 90. So you will get quotient will be 9 and remainder will be 3. So in both case, when you divide by 10, so digit in the ones place forms the remainder. So digit in the ones place forms the remainder, and the remaining digits form the quotient. So when you divide a number by 10, the digit in the ones place, that is the important term, the digit in the ones place will be your remainder, and the digit from the remaining part, it will be the quotient. So 7 is your quotient because this is the remaining part, this is the remaining part in this question. This is 9 is the quotient, and the ones place, the digit 8 for this question and the digit 3 for this question is your remainder. So please remember these things. Now we want to learn, if you divide a number by 100, what would you expect? So 143 divided by 100, so this is a 3-digit number because you are divided by 3-digit number. So take 3-digit number. So 100 it will be 100. So in this case, because there are 2 zeros, that means you are divided by 100, so there are 2 zeros, so the last 2 places, that means for the number 143, that is the 1 places and the tens places, this will be your remainder. And the quotient will be the remaining part, that is 1. Okay, so when you divide by 100, you will get always that ones place and the tens place, the ones place with the ones place and the tens place together will get the remainder, and the remaining part will be your quotient. Similarly, when you divide by 1000, suppose 1567, if you divide it by 1000, you will get 567 is your remainder. Let's check. It would be 1000, this is your remainder. So 567, that means the ones place, tens place and the hundreds place together gives a form a your remainder. So in this case, remainder it would be 567, and quotient it will be 1, that is the remaining part. So what would we learn? We learned when a number is divided by 10, the digit in the ones place forms the remainder. The digit when you divide a number by 10, the digit in the ones place, it would be the remainder, and the remaining part it would be the quotient. When you divide a number by 100, the last 2 digits will be, that means ones place and the tens place together form a remainder, and the remaining part will be your quotient. Similarly, when you divide a number by 1000, so last 3-digit number, that means ones place, tens place and hundreds place together form your remainder, and the remaining part is your quotient. So exercise 6.2, try to do it in your copy. Okay, do it in your copy. This is very easy problem. I already have told you about all the important things about if you divide by 10, 100 and 1000, so you can make it orally. Okay, so keep learning and try to understand. So go through this video, and this will make you to understand. Okay, so thank you.